If you're creating titles for your project in Premiere and you want to give them a more cinematic look, then a fade in is a quick and easy solution to do that. But it doesn't always look that good, and the dissolve transition usually happens too quickly. The better way to do this is to set a keyframe part of the way into your title for opacity and set it from 0 to 100%. Right-click on the first keyframe and select Ease Out. You can then click on the arrow to expand the opacity and drag the Ease Out properties to create a longer curve. This easy tip will make the animation look a lot better, give a more cinematic look and a much smoother transition. I hope you found this title trick useful. For more tips and tricks on Adobe Premiere, make sure you check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.